Alright, you alright guys and girls, welcome back to another video today, Friday 10th of May 2019. Now I've just ridden down to Halfords, and I've only just got back because I went to town, the long way version, ran to town. So I'm just charging my bike up now because my battery life had about 1 bar left since yesterday, because I didn't do a full charge yesterday or last night, which I should have really actually. So I got down to Halfords and we just got ourselves here this backlight, which is apparently 25 looms rear light. Be seen at night by other road users from the rear and side on. Well, I got these anyway because I put them on the back because I don't really ride at night time anyway. But my brother sometimes here want to use the bike and I didn't have the headlights on there, so this way he's got the ones for the front and then he's got the one for the back. That way I keep him safe, and when he's using my bicycle with the Carrera Vengeance. And apparently you can attach these onto sort of the any hooks. I think it says here GPS and light mount compatible with the Garmin Cycle GPS power bank function as well, USB rechargeable, so you can use the USB to recharge, I suppose, your mobile phones, or if it's got enough in it, depends on the sort of functionality on it. So 221, 3 hours battery life. If you're using 50 looms, 71 hour battery life. Day flash, 17 hour battery life. Pulse, 17 hour battery life. Charging time, 4.5 hours. Battery, 3200 mAh. IPX5 water resistant, remote control, so separately. Fitting instructions in there as well. Fits handlebars up to the width of 32 millimeters, so these should be good. 500 looms max output from a Cree XP G2 LED. High quality rechargeable battery from LG. So it's an LG light, nice. Anyway, so it's LG light, but they're actually, I suppose, the publishers or the people who are in with the company is Halfords, because as you can see, Halfords Limited. So this is their brand basically, same way as this one here as well. Neld or Neld Street Drive, Washford. That's your life. So you get a good 20 hours out of flash, 20 more hour battery life, or 55 minutes battery life, or 12.5 looms. So really don't seem that much, but I suppose you don't really need them that much basically. Anyway, guys and girls, if you enjoyed this episode, do like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe. It's always good to basically promote Halfords, because they do a great job so far on the products that I bought so far from them, like the panniers and the pannier bags. I've been doing actually a video on the pannier bags actually. One of them had a slight rip in it, but it's probably because I'm not actually zipping it the one way, and it kind of unzips the other way, and it's like more like, it looks like it's out of zips, but it's not. But anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode.